mga boss! Welcome to my channel, Sheila TVA. So today, I will show you how we cook our burong sahay Arabic sweet. Tarang! Here we go, we put in our big oven. We put this one inside at least 30 minutes, temperature at 165. We will cook until 30 minutes and then we will check if it's already done or not. Tarang! Here we go! It's already cooked. The color is color brown, golden brown, see? It's very yummy, crispy, and ready to serve. Very fresh and hot. After that, we remove in the oven and put in the S3 box. So if the customer wanted, it's already ready. But oops! Don't forget to put shira, a sugar syrup, to make it more sweet and more delicious to taste. We will wait until it's not hot and we put cover on it, only cling film paper. After that, we put in the box and wait for the customer because this is already a customer's order. And that's it. Very easy and very simple to cook our Turkish Arabic sweet. And you can enjoy already for your tea and your coffee or wherever you want on this sweet. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.